Please note that this video was made solely for research and demonstration purposes. Do not attempt to repeat the experiments shown in this video. Hello everyone! Today we will conduct a reaction with chromium oxide 3. Chromium oxide will serve us as a catalyst. We will get the chromium oxide out of the reaction of the decomposition of ammonium dichromate. For the reaction, we will take a metal cup and pour there a little, never mind. Let's just empty the entire amount of ammonium dichromate. Next, we ignite the substance using a burner, and then observe a beautiful decay of the substance. Well, the reaction has been complete now, and we have got quite a lot of chromium oxide 3 as a result. The first reaction with it is going to be the catalytic oxidation of ammonia using chromium oxide 3. We'll get ammonia gas from Wirth's flask. We need a mixture of sodium hydroxide and ammonium nitrate. Now, pour the reagents into the flask. Since ammonia is lighter than air, it is best to collect it from the bottom of the vessel. To start the reaction, we will add some water to the mixture. The reaction has started, and now ammonia is entering the glass jar. After the jar is filled with ammonia, we will need to heat up the chromium oxide 3. Get a bit of chromium oxide 3 into a spoon and heat it up. Now, let's add the retrieved red hot chromium oxide into our jar. What did just happen during this reaction, you could wonder. Ammonia in the jar has reacted with oxygen. The catalyst for the reaction was chromium oxide 3. This reaction produced nitrogen oxide and water. For the next reaction, let's take a metal cup and pour there a small amount of chromium oxide. Place a piece of cotton wool soaked in ethyl alcohol into the cup, then ignite the cotton. Now quickly sprinkle the cotton wool with chromium oxide. During this reaction, chromium oxide catalyzes the oxidation of ethanol to acetaldehyde. By the way, the smell of acetaldehyde is very much like a quick drying superglue.